everybody is okay. This is Sunday. We are here. Okay, this is our first broadcast today, Sunday, on Sunday 28th of April 2024. So in this video, we are going to react and listen to what a group of people, some individuals gather themselves in Biafran land, and they say they are Judaism in the eastern part or whatever they call them. But we are getting closer. We are getting closer to understand what has been the problem from get-go, whether during the time of Mazina Modicano or during the time of Wazurike, during the time of Ojukwu, all these great men during their time. What I mean by that time, I mean when they are, piloting their affairs without any, detention, kidnapping like the one of Mazda Makano today. That does not mean that Mazda Makano is not leading the group or that he is no longer the leader. No. What I'm trying to say is that when he is not in the hands of people that have kidnapped him, we have this kind of group of people that always think that without them, nothing will move. That, in fact, they are the eyes of the gods. People that claim they are maintaining structure, that their job is to maintain the structure in different lands, and they have to, everything must go through them. All right? They have not given up. They started fighting to maintain relevance by taking over, using the Lego team, Ejiofor and other lawyers. Their metaphors from death to Mazda Makano siblings. It did not end there. They went to they started discussing, and they started using politicians from Igbo land. It did not end there. They proceed to religious group. All right, and when religious group were working hand in hand with politicians, they did not stop. They moved from that to celebrities. It did not stop. Now they started using this kind of campaign using security agencies, Nigerian Army, police. Some of us don't understand that all this thing is still the same group of people, and now they are recycling themselves. They have touched all these angles, and then they're not going through it again. Yesterday, I played a video of one man. I don't know the name of the person, but the person that published it is a mega gift. And what is the video is all about is about making sure that they play this kind of games to let people know that Aaron Zog is in problem. That and they know people that made it to be in problem, and they mentioned PM and Biafran government in exile. Although they don't want to call Biafran government in exile, just like it is normal. And what do? They prefer to mention Simon Ekpa, Ekperima, and what again? And the autopilot. So all this thing that is happening just few hours ago that we reacted to that video, another video is now out. Guess who? People that say they are Jewish religious leaders and all that. Now, without wasting much of your time, we are going straight to the video. So as you join us in this broadcast, I expect you to like the video. If you have not subscribed to this platform, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. We are here not to attack anybody. We don't preach violence, and we don't preach lies. All right, and we wish everything to be normal, and we wish everybody to be okay. So I will be calling and names of people that are first commentators in my last broadcast, because I've been receiving a lot of messages from people. Oh, don't stop calling them. They're distracting your program. You should focus. And all that. And I have made a comment that my greetings to people that comment is a way of encouraging them and to appreciate that you are commenting and sharing my videos. That's number one. And it does not mean that I am that takes my mind out from what I wanted to say. I don't know how our people are seeing that, but I appreciate your advice, but please understand that. Okay, thank you so much. So Abra the best is here. Excellence Wachuku. Good morning, my dear brother. Kai report. I see you. I see you, Excellence Wachuku. And Abra the best. I received your gift. Thank you. Richard, one of us, is here. Good day, Kai. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you, my brother. And Godwin, of course. Thank you, guys. Godwin said, "Good day, bro." Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please hit the like button so that others will join us as we move forward in this live broadcast. So today is Sunday. Some of you have gone to church. Some of you are about to go. Some of you may not go. So it depends on what you are doing. But this hour we are live and we are reporting, direct from our platform. This video is being published by PM, and PM. If you read his post, you can see that he's not happy with this kind of. Tell me who will be happy? Nobody will be happy to hear this kind of thing. But it is a part of it. It's a part of it. So let me bring it to you. Okay, this is what PM post. What he posted is this. This is exactly a good example of stupidity talking. When poverty of the brain is in control of your life. I want to post this for people to listen to listen to what I think I don't know what the PM said here, to be honest, listen to what of someone who is probably father and leading other brain dead just as the people who were fighting for freedom. He said the spirit is the reason they are suffering, so we should allow him to suffer because the spirit says so. Tell people, tell him, okay, please tell him that he will suffer alone. Now, this man is what you're about to listen to. Like I said in our if you read the title, okay, the title says, even Israelites will not wish to be Jews if this is what Judaism is all about. All right, they will not wish to be Jews if what you're about to listen to is what Judaism is all about. And I have a reason for saying that. Pay attention as we go through this video. It is very, very important that you do this with us. Now let's go there.
This is the Eastern Judaism. They are here live today, being the 28th of April 2024, to address on a motion concerning the ongoing referendum conducted and assigned by Simon Eber. The person sitting in the front of this camera is the Kohen, and Kohen D.S. Honor, the founder of the Eastern Judaism, and also the Kohen of this of your synagogue.
The founder of Eastern Judaism. So my question to you is: this Judaism, is it different from the Judaism we know? The one that Israelis are practicing. Is it different or the same? That he is the founder of Eastern Judaism. What is Eastern Judaism? Judaism is a Judaism, but that's not why we are here. We are going. The starting point of this video, and the guy that's talking, probably he's the one that holding the camera, is the same pattern they use in the video they did, the propaganda video they did in R&D Zog, about R&D Zog. Now we are going straight to the program so that you understand. Let's hear him.
And he's here to counter on the motion about the ongoing referendum conducted by the leader of the autopilot, Simon Eber.
They have done everything possible not to mention leader of Biafran government in Israel or prime minister of Biafran government in Israel. And this man did not just wake up today. He started making this, they published this video. Probably it is now that they have reached agreement. I'm not saying that I'm sure they pay him, but when this kind of people comes out like this, it shows that something, money has changed hands. Some transaction must have been done. If not, he's in Biafran land, as they claim. Why is he now reacting to that Biafran self-referendum that started for how many months ago? And it is now that he decided to make a video to condemn it. Why now? So I just want to be making point to understand that it is a deliberate act, and there's a reason for that. So if eventually that this man noticed that something is wrong with that referendum, why did it take him so long? Your guess is as good as mine, because my guess is that it took them time to convince to reach to agreement for him to come out and I don't think that is. I don't want to say something that will provoke some people, but when these people are acting this way, you have no choice than to say it the way it is. Unbelievable.
Eastern Judaism are here to counter it. We are not supposed.
Eastern Judaism are here to counter it. Excuse me, please, guys. Just hold on. Sorry about that.
Of the ongoing referendum, in the fact that our leader Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is still incarcerated in the DSS dungeon, we are not in support of it, and we are telling all the people around the world, especially to Biafrans, that we the Eastern Judaism we are not in support of the.
Now, normally Judaism don't have a flag to start with, because sometimes people are making that kind of making it as a mistake. That you hold the Israeli flag does not make you a Jewish person. Okay, anybody can hold that. And Israeli flag is not Judaism flag. Like, it is a national flag that comprises every nationals from Israel. Like, whether Israel have Muslim, they have Christianity. So sometimes when you claim that you are founder like this man, you are founder, isn't it? And your Judaism is for Easterners. Why don't you use the Eastern flag? Use the Eastern flag instead of Israel's flag. Because some of you always say that you don't eat rats. But when you want to give children that eat rat meat, you use your teeth to divide it for them. And you turn back and say, no, I don't eat rats. You are here telling us, taking the title and the honor that you are the founder of Eastern. Why don't you maintain a flag for Easterners? Since your own Judaism is different from Israel, but the reason why you mentioned that you are Eastern, the founder of Eastern Judaism, is for you to have that title, that you are the founder. Ndị Igbo like title so much. They want every title to go after their names. Then you make a U-turn with Israeli flag, championing the same Israeli religion, which you say that's what you are practicing. I'm not against it. I love Judaism as a religion. I'm not against it at all. But I'm against the brand behind this one they call Eastern Judaism. Israelis that are Jews, they hold their flag in solidarity with their government. All right? It does not mean that Israel's flag comes from Jews and comes from Jewish religion, and they are the ones that decided the color and everything. No, government of the nation decided to design it that way, and the stars you are seeing the stars of David, which you can also design your own Eastern flag and add the stars into it. Since you are tapping from that side, which is good, I'm not against it, like I said, but I just want to see the brand of the leaders that are countering the self-referendum vote for Biafrans, a nation. And because of this one church organization that you are holding there, everybody should succumb. Just grow your beards with your age. Some of you just have white hair, white gray beards, but zero brain.
Ongoing referendum, since our leader Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is still detained, we are not in support of it.
Now, it is obvious that the guy talking while they are singing their shalom, it is that guy is pure US representative in this content creation. They just, yeah, this is content. They just made this video, to be honest. It's just a content, but I pity this face. Nobody's going to come after you. Don't get it twisted. I'm not saying that people should attack you. Why I say I pity this face is that you cannot use this face to say anything that will be relevant anymore. It will be difficult because people have marked you. You cannot use this. People don't learn, although some of them don't. They are not even on social media. You don't learn. That's people's mistake. What footage of where he belongs today is not by that he only attacked PM, but he kicked against the will of the people. Once you try that, my dear, for you to get yourself back is always a difficult task. Very, very difficult. Now let's continue listening to this guy.
Without wasting much of our time, I would like the Eastern Judaism founder, D.S. Onoha, to speak on and tell the world what he has assigned and arranged for them. You can go on, sir.
And mind you, this is the first public address of this man as a so-called founder to the entire Biafrans and Igbo nation. I have not seen a video, a clip from this man in the past where he's actually addressing people. This is the first one, and he's doing it now. And to this guy, the message is going flying everywhere. To the people will now be, oh, DS Onoha. This is the first time I'm hearing his name. He has spoken, so I have to run. People have to run. You have to run. DS Onoha is coming. You don't maintain your respect. You don't even have a pedigree. You want to dish out order. You want to dish out order. This is the same. Of course, for him to say this, he must have kicked against it at home as well. All right. That self-referendum. What does self-referendum has to do with the detention of Mazen Namordegan? The annoying part is when they talk, you see a gray hair, white hair everywhere. But when they talk like somebody that is senseless. What does self-referendum? How does that jeopardize your own religion or whatever you believe on? Do you think that means that Master is become irrelevant? Is that what you think? A father always pray that his child will be more, in everything, will be greater than him, whether prosperity, financially, knowledge-wise. So what is the problem? You can't even wait for Master to come out from detention. Then hear him out if he will condemn what the federal government is doing. You people have a very long way to go.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, the Jew all over the world and Biafrans all over the world. My name is Kohe Daniel Sunday Honor, the founder of Eastern Judaism, and also the Kohen of
this man can call the cook here. The founder of Eastern Judaism. So he cannot be cooked here. The founder of Eastern Judaism. So, and the flag that you are waving in Eastern region is the Israeli flag, without attaching it to the Biafran flag. Nothing, just, and hello, my fellow Biafrans. And all the flag that you surround yourself is. I'm not against Israeli flag. It's good to see. I love that. But since you are, this is Nkai, our own Judaism, right? And that's what we are trying to say, because you are the founder. So whatever that you attach it, in your rituals and all the things that you perform as a Jew in Eastern region should be originated from Eastern part, because you are the founder. You don't just bring somebody's dogma and you are practicing it and you are calling yourself you are the founder of it. You know what? And everything about what you are seeing here is about Israelites, which is good. Like I said, I'm not against it, but calling yourself a founder and you keep on mentioning that is laughable.
here, standing here to address the whole Jew and the whole Biafrans all over the world, for them to know that we, the Eastern Judaism, in any referendum of any kind at all, because our son and our member and our brother and also the father too, Mazi Namdukano, whom that the Almighty sent for this mission, that
so for you to come out and say that you don't support any referendum of all kinds, of any type, you don't support it, whatever, of all kinds, and that's we are addressing not only Biafra, we are addressing the whole Jews in the whole world, like you said. So I have set your video to see where you have done a video to tell the whole world, the whole Jews, the whole Biafrans that you are not in support of one Nigeria. I've said the video, I did not say. So you are not in support of referendum to move to have your freedom from Nigeria. You are meaning that you did not do a video to condemn it to be in Nigeria. Simply means that you are condemning this referendum because you want Nigeria to continue. That is the brain behind this nonsense you are doing. And looking at you, we keep 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira.
is still in the control of the hand of DSS.
Okay.
And he have never ordered us to do any referendum.
Okay. Now you mentioned that Mazda Mekano have not ordered to do any referendum, that you admit that he's in dungeon, which means you know where he is. And you know that he's in a dungeon. I have not seen your video. We have not only me. Please, anybody, if you have seen it, share it with us. You have not seen any video, okay, of you telling the whole world that this your son, your father, is illegally detained in a dungeon. No campaign, no agitation whatsoever from you. And so, you know, sometimes you people don't. There's something you have to do something for you to get something. You don't just wake up and start talking. Just like as I am now, I have not done any video, okay, in solidarity with Israel, with what they're going through in Gaza and all that. I've not done that. I cannot just come out today and just get with my Israeli flag. Just bear with me. I will come back. We are going to have a second, broadcast on this topic, because you have not done anything here. We still have, about 15 minutes more to go, or even more than 15 minutes more to go. So please bear with me. I have an emergency call that I need to.